How to apply color grading of one clip to another clips in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added some clips to my timeline. Open up the color page. Here in the color wheels section, change properties based on your needs. Now let's say we color graded this clip and I want to apply the color grading of this clip to my other clips. Right-click on the viewer and click Grab Still. Now open the gallery panel, and this still added to our gallery which we can use. Just click on a clip you want to apply this grading to it, then drag the still into the clips node. And now the grading of my first clip is applied to my second clip. If you want to apply the still to multiple clips at once, hold down the Shift key and click on Clips to select a range of clips, then right-click on the still and click Apply Grade. Now the grading is applied to all selected clips. At last, to delete a still, just right-click on it and click Delete Selected. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.